Welcome to Cam's World! Hi everyone, I received a package from YesStyle. It's their summer seasonal changes skincare set. So let me show you all the items. For the seasonal changes skincare set, we have a cleanser, sun cream, they have a calming serum, and a double effect ampule. First is this cleanser by the brand COSRX. I don't know if I pronounce it right. It is an advanced snail mucin gel cleanser. It is formulated with snail mucin and 10,000 ppm of snail secretion, filtrate to hydrate and regenerate skin. This cleanser effectively removes impurities and creates a smoother complexion. The hypoallergenic ultra gentle gel formula also protects the skin barrier, suitable for those with sensitive skin prone to irritation or redness. About this brand, it is a cult favorite among Korean skincare fans. It utilizes its 10 years of experience to continuously deliver functional ingredient-rich cosmetics. The brand takes its name from the word cosmetics and the symbol RX denoting prescription to affirm its commitment to creating effective, affordable, skin-friendly products. Next item from the set is this brand Anua Airy Sun Cream. This physical sun cream is suitable for sensitive skin with its powder dispersion technology. The cream's smooth and moist texture provides SPF 50+, PA+++ protection and leaves skin supple without any white cast, free of 20 hazardous substances, allergens, and irritants. This brand believes that healthy skin does not depend solely on skincare products, but also on having a relaxed mind and regulated lifestyle. The brand focuses on choosing pure, organic ingredients to maximize effectiveness and minimize harmful effects on skin. Its environmentally friendly, sustainable products are 100% made in Korea and designed with simple packaging. The third item from the skincare set is this Beauty of Georgetown Calming Serum. It's enriched with 76% green tea extract, 2% panthenol, and vitamin C to soothe damaged and sensitive skin, offer moisturizing, anti-aging, and brightening effects, and restore a clear, healthy, and youthful complexion, infused with naturally derived EWG green grade ingredients. The brand is known for its Dynasty Cream. Korean brand Beauty of Joseon uses luxurious oriental herbs to create skincare for women in their 20s to 40s. The brand was inspired by the 19th century encyclopedia describing the skincare secrets of upper-class Korean women. With products made entirely in Korea, Beauty of Joseon reveals the natural beauty of one's skin by improving its overall condition and resolving fundamental problems such as roughness, dehydration, and dull skin tone. The last item from the list is the Esoy brand. It's a Sika Go Sika Double Effect Ampule, fitted with Sika Go Complex to lighten dark spots and restore natural, healthy radiance to skin. This ampule also helps to regulate water oil levels without any greasy feeling. Powerful soothing effect calms irritation while also protecting skin against external stressors. This brand provides simple and result-driven skincare Korean brand Esoy combines technological research with high-quality and skin-friendly natural ingredients to effectively treat various skin problems. Clean, cruelty-free products are made without harmful chemicals to enhance the skin's natural ability to restore and strengthen itself. Best-selling products include the ACNI Dr. First Control Tonic, formulated with dodder seed and buckle fern extracts to balance oil-water levels and leave skin blemish-free, as well as the ACNI Dr. First Speedy Spot and Bulgarian Rose Blemish Care Up Serum. All products are 100% made in Korea. Let me show you how I use the items from the Summer Seasonal Changes Skincare Set. First, let's use the most popular Advanced Snail Mucin Gel Cleanser. Let's first wet your face. Put a pea-sized amount of cleanser on your palm and massage it all over your face. Then rinse thoroughly with warm water. Dry your face and let's get ready for the next step of my skincare. Next is this calming serum from the Beauty of Joseon. Apply a proper amount to face and gently pat for further absorption. To give your skin a little boost, you can also apply the Zika Double Effect Ampule. Don't forget to shake well to mix the two layers before use. Apply 2 to 3 drops onto face using hands and gently massage for better absorption. Next, to protect our skin from UV rays, let's use the Airy Sun Cream. Take a moderate amount and apply evenly over the face. And that's it. Please do check their website. I'll leave the link in the description down below, as well as all the items that I feature on this video. Until next time, bye!